Okay, fantastic. Welcome everybody to our first onboarding webinar for the eBSI affiliate program. Welcome. If you want to introduce yourselves before we get started, I think we have Simon and Arnold and Sanele at the moment, and we may have some others joining a bit later. Do you want to introduce yourselves? Say ladies first. So Sanele, if you want, you can start.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanele Simmons. I am in Johannesburg, South Africa, and I'm a social entrepreneur. That's what I like to refer myself as. I've got a e-commerce business which is called More for Women, which is focused on increasing women's participation in the digital economy. I also have a non-profit company called Beauty, and I'm looking forward to learning more. And thank you, Thomas, for introducing us to eBSI. And I'm looking forward to learning and to network and get to know everybody. Thank you.
Fantastic. And Arnold, go ahead.
Hi, good evening,
Arnold?
everybody. My name is Arnold Mitsanze from Mombasa, Kenya. And it's a great pleasure meeting the team from eBSI. Congratulations and happy to meet you all. Thank you.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic. And then Simon, please go ahead. Simon? Are you okay, Simon? Do you want to speak? There you do. Okay, I think Simon said he had bad connection where he was connecting from. So I think we'll proceed. Simon's based in South Africa as well, and he's an import-export consultant. So he'll be able to give us a little bit more information about himself over time. But I know Simon and Arnold for years now. They're both graduates of the International Trade Specialist Accreditation, which is our flagship program, really. We've been running different editions of the International Trade Specialist program since its launch in January 2022. Sorry, 2002. So it's now 22 years old, the qualification, and it's been developing and evolving over the last 22 years. So fantastic. Let's just have a quick look, first of all, at the affiliate dashboard, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen. Hopefully this is going to work out okay. Now, and I'm going to share my window. It's usually a lot easier. Now, Chrome, fantastic. Share, and here we are, and we'll pop into the affiliate dashboard. Okay, so normally when you log in to the affiliate dashboard, this is what you will normally see. Does everybody know how to get to the affiliate dashboard? That's the first question that we should ask, really.
Yes, I was able to log in.
Yeah, fantastic. Were you able to, Arnold?
Yes, I managed to log in.
That's perfect, perfect. And Simon, I think I've seen you log in at some stage as well. So I think we're okay to proceed. So this is the affiliate dashboard, okay? And as the manual explains, these are the main statistics of the dashboard. You have, and we're going to kind of add more incentives as we go along. So this target bonus here is, for example, if you reach 500 euro in sales in a month, you'll be able to earn an extra 10 euro. We'll probably bump that up a little bit while people are kind of on the lower commission levels. So that you'll probably notice that will kind of get updated over the next few days. Okay. Your affiliate link then is here. It's this one is my daughter, Olivia Smith. I use her as my my guinea pig. And you can either copy it, okay, and use it in whatever marketing emails or marketing communications you have, or you can edit it if you want to make it something specific. So as long as it doesn't currently exist within the set of links that we have in the in the affiliate system, you can change it as needed, and it'll tell you if it's available or not. So that possibility is there. If you prefer not to have your personal name, you can have either your company name or some keyword, whichever you feel is most appropriate for you. And then, of course, we have coupons. You can also have custom links. Now, what are these? Custom links are basically if you want to have a specific link going to a specific page. So say, for example, you don't want to have somebody going onto the home page. Okay, you want them to go, for example, to the certificate programs page, or you want to push mainly the International Trade Specialist Program. So what you would typically do, you would look for the actual course that you're looking to promote. So, for example, if we go into the certificate programs, can everybody see me okay? Sanelli, can you see? If you want to just give a... Ah, fantastic. That's brilliant. Okay, excellent. So we'll continue. Okay, so if you want to go into the certificate programs, and you'll see here some of the programs that we have available. This is priced in Nigerian Naira at the moment, so don't panic. I'm going to put them back into US dollars. I was showing somebody else earlier on from Nigeria. So we have here the US dollar amounts, okay? So say we want to promote the International Trade Specialist Program Fast Track. So we can click onto that, and we can copy the link, go back to our affiliate dashboard, and Control V to paste it. Now, once you have that there, you'll be able to see the generated link with your personal identification. Okay, now this is a huge link, and on many emails this might get broken up depending on the email that you're looking for. So in order to in order to address that problem, you can actually get a shortened link, and here again you can edit that shortened link. And for example, this is a bit difficult to read, but you could say, for example, OS _ ITSFT, you know, and that way it's clear for you because it's your initials for the affiliate. It's Olivia Smith's initials, and it's the ITSAFT, which is the short code for the program itself. So then once you create that, let's see, invalid path. Oh no, it won't let me. Okay, let's see if it'll let me do something else. It's probably the underscore. Let me see. -AFT, create. There you go. So we have our first, so it was underscores that's not allowed on the links, on the shortened links. Okay, so we can copy that then, and we can then paste it into whatever message or information that we want to send to people. Okay, and so that's how to customize your links. We'll go back then to the dashboard, and we'll have a look at the next section. Is there any questions first of all before we go on? I guess that's okay. Okay, then that's fine. So now we affiliate coupons. This works in the same way. Each affiliate has their own specific coupon that they can use. Okay, so you can edit it to change it to whatever you feel is appropriate. So this is my pet name for my daughter, Olivia. So it's Olivo. So that's just for my own kind of purposes. And of course, it's already been assigned. So if it already exists, or if it's already been assigned to myself, then it'll be shown here. Okay. So then you can see your performance reports. You can see over time. So you can either choose over a number of days, last week, last month, this year, or since you started on the affiliate program. Okay, and that will give you a similar kind of report, but with the information covering for that particular year. And you can have it in graphic form here as well. Okay, so it's all pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Now, going on to media, this is something that's going to be important for you moving forward, because you'll see over time, we're going to be including a lot of assets in the media folder here, okay, or in the media section. So we have the Diploma in Trade Finance prospectus that we have already in PDF, Diploma in Trade Finance prospectus. We have various logos that you can use in your promotions, okay? International Trade Specialist Program Prospectus. And what you can also find are links to the free training. So these links here, for example, are affiliate marketing, media buying. We can see them here in the specific affiliate training resources. So you can see here the PDF of the affiliate program guide. Here, HTML for internet marketers. If you want to learn basic HTML and how to edit HTML, you can do this free course, okay? Now, it's for sale on the platform, but there's a special code that you use, affiliate training, which gives you a 100% discount off the course fee, okay? So I'm doing this especially so that I want to give you guys the best chance and the best opportunity to maximize your efforts and maximize the return on your efforts in this program, okay? So we have 10 courses. We have YouTube Marketing Essentials. We've got hosting interview shows. So if you have knowledge experts or subject matter experts that you can invite to do a YouTube live interview or a Facebook live interview, this will teach you how to structure it and how to arrange it. And it'll also tell you about some of the applications that you can use besides YouTube and Facebook Live for delivering these kind of interviews, okay? Then we have product launches. Again, we're going to be launching a number of programs over the course, well, literally every month. I mean, we'll be having certificate and diploma programs, perhaps once every 1 or 2 months. And every month we'll be having individual course units, at least 1 per month, but probably 2, 3, depending on how production goes over the course of the month, okay? So this course will teach you how to run a full product launch campaign. Pay-per-click marketing, that's if you want to invest some money in your online marketing efforts. This will teach you how to arrange that and what providers are available. Then we have this free training, doesn't say exactly what it is. Oh yeah, building websites with Wix. I'll have to update that one. So if you don't have a website at the moment, this particular course will show you how to create a free website on Wix. And if you need to create a landing page for the courses that you want to focus on, or if you want to create a blog in order to support your marketing efforts, this course will teach you how to create your own internet presence, from which you can then refer your traffic to us for the sales, for the sales. Then we have blog marketing, of course. Again, another free resource. It's a full course. And email marketing. Again, covering everything you need to know about marketing by email. Media buying. This course is now about buying advertising space on third-party websites. So it's not so much the big social media sites like YouTube and so forth. It's more specific websites like shipping.com or Booking.com or whatnot. And of course, because we're focused mainly in the international trade niche, I would be recommending that if you want to organize something like that, you'd be looking at the trade niche or the business and SME development niches for your advertising efforts. And again, the affiliate marketing there, which covers the strategies for both creating an affiliate program and for participating within one. Okay, so that's the training resources. I think you'll find them very useful. As usual, I would recommend once you finish the course, give us a review, whether it be good or bad. If you find anything wrong or anything broken, let me know so I can fix it. And yeah, of course, if you put a positive review or a negative, I always put reviews up on the website because even if there's negative reviews or there are criticisms, it's authenticity. And at the end of the day, people are looking for authenticity. And then we have the prospectuses. We'll be putting in more of the different programs. We'll be adding more in. So you can be keep an eye out for that. But as I said, the reason I want you all in the WhatsApp affiliate group is that if I put something new on the media section or I'm launching a new course, I want to inform you there. It's an easy way of keeping you up to date of anything that's coming out or any new information that might be relevant. And it also gives you a chance to be able to share best practice among yourselves. Company info then, again, it's the, we'll put our company profile here, and we'll replace that with the company profile. And also we'll probably put some standard proposals that you can offer with us. Now, to be honest, I prefer if you're going to go for a larger organization or anything that's not kind of B2C. Now, B2C is kind of pitching to individuals. So one person comes through your website and purchases a course, okay? But if you happen to have a contact in a bank, in the trade finance department of a bank, or in the HR and training and development department of a bank, or an SME who could be interested in either a group training or a full learning management system implementation, we can offer three possibilities. One, for group trainings, if they have, for example, 10 people who would like to do our international trade specialist, we can give a special price for that, and we can bill for that, and we can assign you an agreed commission based on the billing that we arrange with that client, okay? Because not only can you get paid from automatically from sales to individuals, but I can also assign a payment to you through the system for specific projects that we might do. So it's all transparent, and it's all very clear and easy to reflect back to you, okay? So the group trainings are simple enough. It's just 10 people, 20 people on a specific program. Then we have e-learning implementations. Now, say, for example, there's an SME that is internationally focused, has a customer service department, maybe 50 people, maybe 100 people even, okay? You can offer to them the possibility of either enrolling their staff, their entire staff, as a group within our native learning management system, which is the eBSI.learnupon.com, or we can create a specific custom learning management system or learning portal for them themselves. Now, typically speaking, I would say up to about 200 people, 250. It's probably more economically feasible to have them within the native or our own e-learning portal, okay? But if they want, or if it's over 250 people or a big program, a big company, a big organization, we're best to offer them the custom portal, okay? But that kind of thing, if you see that coming up or you see an opportunity for that, get in contact with me. We'll talk it out and I'll guide you through the process. You can make the introduction to me and I can work with the client, because no matter what, you'll be getting your commission out of the final project amount, okay? But it's just sometimes it's best to bring me in early so that I can take them through with my 25 years of experience doing this in a more efficient and clear manner for them, okay? So that's the creatives. You'll see more stuff. We'll also be putting up video testimonials from people. They'll be on YouTube, our YouTube channel as well. But if you want to post some of them on your own websites or on your own systems or promotions, it's possible as well. Okay. So then we have the well, this is for the let me see. Here we are. Nope. Let me see. Where's it gone? Ah, here we are. Sorry about that. Now, here we are now. So going down into commissions. Okay, so here you'll see any sales that will have occurred over time. And again, you can select either today, yesterday, any type of time period. Okay, this again is just more for testing. So these are just small little transactions that we used to track. Now, you'll see sometimes that somebody comes in and there's zero commission because there's a €0 sale or a $0 sale. The reason for that is they may have signed up for one of the free courses, okay? Now, when I see somebody signing up for a free course and it's been referred through your link, okay, I'll send you the contact details of that person who's signed up for that free course, okay? And it would be a good idea for you to follow up on them gently, okay, just to help them because sometimes they may not receive their login details, for example. So if you notice that or if I notice, for example, that they haven't logged in a couple of days or whatever, I might say to you, okay, check this guy out and see if they've joined or not, okay? It's possible I might create specific groups for each affiliate as you start achieving sales, okay? And what that will be for, I'll make you a manager of that group, okay? And that way you yourself can log in on the learning management system and you'll be able to check over time, in real time, the status of the people who have signed up through your link, okay? And I think that'll be useful for two reasons. One, it allows you to see their progress as they go through the course. And if you see that there's something proceeding slowly, or somebody hasn't logged in for a while, but they should have finished the course by now, you can touch base with them and follow up with them and see if they're okay, if they're having any difficulties. And so that adds kind of a layer of customer service to them. And if they find that they're getting great customer service from both you and us, it'll mean that they'll come back again and buy more courses. And as I said before, once somebody signs up for a course, say for example, Alexander Hamilton signs up for a course for Olivia, okay? That client is Olivia's forever. So any future courses that come in or any future purchases from Alexander Hamilton will be attributed to Olivia automatically, okay? So it's worth spending time developing the relationship, developing the customer, because we're not a one-hit wonder here. I mean, we've got over 750 courses if you include the banking courses. But even outside the banking sector, we've got over 500, maybe 550 at this stage, individual course units and 25 programs, with more to come. So it's definitely worth the effort to guide and to curate your referrals once they come on and they start interacting on the website. So we'll work on that, and I'll work on that group management thing for you, so that it's possible for you to be like a supervisor of their training. Any questions so far? Everyone's okay. Okay, fantastic. I'm just going to see if anybody is trying to get on. Just 1 second. Boom, boom, boom. Everyone's okay. Yeah, no calls here. Everyone here? Yeah, perfect. That's great. Okay, then, so we'll continue. Going on to
I've got a question.
yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
So thank you so much. I think everything you're explaining it very well. That's why there's not a lot of questions. But I do have one question now that currently we're not able to see who's signed up yet on this dashboard.
Well, that's what I mean. If you send a referral, okay, and somebody comes onto your website, yeah, what you will see are these clicks, okay. So as people click through your links or use your coupon, okay, especially the clicks. This is for clicks mainly. So for your links, you'll see that you have the type of device, whether it's a mobile computer or tablet, what their browser was, okay, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and whether they're on a Windows or an Apple platform, okay. So this will tell you that there are people coming through your links, okay, and this will tell you whether they have purchased anything, okay.
Yes.
And if they have purchased something, you'll see here what they purchased. Okay, soft skills you need, zero cost, and so forth. Okay. Now, what I would say is that if let me just have a quick look here. I think for GDPR privacy reasons, we can't say who here.
Okay.
Okay, but we know what the order number is. All right. Now, whenever somebody actually signs up for a free course or a full paid course, okay, what I or my admin people will do is we will check this number, which is the order number, and we'll go to our back end, find out who that person is, and we will, as I said, we will create groups on our learning management system. I'm sure this looks familiar, at least to the ITS graduates. This is the learning management system where all of the actual training is delivered. Okay, have you seen this yet, Sanika? Or Saneli, have you seen this?
No, I haven't.
No, you haven't signed up for any free courses yet. If you do that, you'll be able to see this. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what will happen is, as people sign up, okay, people onto free or paid courses, I will create a group for them. Okay. So, for example, affiliate group. Sanelli, okay, for example, and then we can put a little description in here. This is Sanelli's clients group. So then, once we have that saved, okay, it'll be possible for us to add users to it.
Okay, I get it.
So normally, so that's what we'll do, okay? I would then go into add a user, okay? Say, for example, if I went into, I'm not sure if Olivia is here. Olivia, not groups, no, users. Olivia, no, Julian, no. Do I have a John Doe? I do. Here we are. So say, for example, John Doe, okay, has signed up for a free course, okay? And it's under Senelli. What I'll do is I'll go in here and then I'll just go affiliate. And since we only have one at the moment because we just created you, we just add you onto that group. All right. And I will do another webinar a little bit later showing you how to use the manager role within the learning management system to be able to oversee the progress of those students that have signed up for your free or paid courses. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yes, that's okay. Because what I was thinking also was that if a person maybe logs in and use my link, maybe a step thing about it, that we won't have access to them, because when it's just when you go to clicks, it's only just showing you the link, but it's not showing you who that person is. So, but I think, if you can start doing the group thing, I think it will help, because we need to be able to follow up with the people that we send the links to.
Oh, exactly. And that'll really make a big difference. I mean, this is something that normally wouldn't happen in an affiliate program. And it might kind of mean that it's a little bit more, laborious on the affiliates part, but you're building a relationship. And that's why, you're being a mentor, a tutor to that student, but you're helping them, making sure that they're getting through the program well. And because of that, they'll come back for more. Or because you have the relationship, you'll be able to come back to them and say, okay, you did, for example, Excel, your free course in Excel 2013. If you want, we have a certificate in Excel 2016 Mastery, which covers essentials, advanced, essentials, intermediate, advanced, mastery, and VBA, programming in VBA, Visual Basic. So those kind of upsells are possible when you have the relationship. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Okay, fantastic. So that's the commissions. That's the clicks. Okay, when you first signed up, okay, you'll need to choose what kind of payment method you want to have. Okay, so here Olivia has used store credit. Now this is sometimes a way for us to be able to kind of, if somebody can't afford to pay for their course, what sometimes we would do is we would say, okay, well, look, if you want, you can refer people to us, and through that referral you can earn towards your own course studies, but also, I mean, if you yourselves want to kind of do some courses, if you want to save up some store credit, we give twice as much in discount vouchers as the balance in the store credit. So if you kind of enter, €10, you'll get a €20 off for a course, a coupon. Okay. And I think I just want to go back up here for 1 second. I want to check for the payments. Here we are. I think it's up here. Profile. Yeah, payment method. So if you want to change your payment method at any time, you go to profile, okay, and in payment method, you can change from store credit to whatever is available. So at the moment we have PayPal. We can pay by Revolut if you have it. IBAN, which is an international bank transfer, okay, or if nothing has been, that's only if nothing has been selected. But typically it automatically defaults to store credit, and then you can change from PayPal, Revolut, IBAN. Okay. now. Okay, so that's the reports then. That's the other thing. Again, it's just the general number of clicks, number of orders over a certain amount of time. And as you start ramping up and generating traffic and generating relationships, you'll see that this information will start growing, you know. So daily, monthly, and parameters. This is if you are using any specific tags on your links, okay? That goes back up to the customs link section where you can create specific links using different tracking parameters, okay? So you can say, for example, if you're doing a campaign in Google, well, you could add Google here for a Google AdWords campaign, okay? Then you can say, for example, this is going to be ads 1, okay, whatever the campaign number is, and then you can say whatever the actual specific campaign is. So coming up to Christmas or Black Friday, you know, BYCM, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, 24. Okay, and then with that you'll have your course, and then this will be your final link. And again, you can shorten it. Okay, so it's really powerful, the amount of stuff that you can do with this particular system, depending on how far and how deep you want to go with it. Okay, then of course the affiliate guide. This allows you to download it in PDF. And again, it just gives you the basic kind of information. And as you go up the tiers from 10% to 15, 25, 35, this will reflect here, okay? And again, any commissions that you earn is calculated from the 1st of April this year through to the 31st of March of the following year, so 2025. Okay, so what? Say, for example, you get to 35% in December, you'll be at 35% all the way through to the 31st of March, and then you'll reset again back down to 10%. Now, that isn't as big a problem as you may think, because by the time you get to that, if you've already reached 35%, it will not be a very long time before you ramp back up in your sales to get back up to the 35%. So it may be that in December of the first year you get to 35%, but because you've got the momentum going for the second year, it could be it could be maybe June or July when you get up to 35% the next year. It all depends on the level of effort that you put into the program. Okay, so that's the program. I think we've covered everything pretty much here. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to let me know. I'll just come back to you. And if we have any questions, we can go back to it. Is everybody there?
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
I do have another question. When I went to create the custom link for the women's leadership, I realized that there was no price there, but I wasn't aware that there's free courses, so maybe that's why there wasn't a price on the course.
Oh, there was no price on the course. Let me just have a quick look. Leadership for women, I think, isn't it?
Yes, correct.
Leadership women. WOMEN. Leadership, women in leadership. Okay, got it. It says $22 at the moment.
Okay, maybe perhaps I can share my screen.
Yeah, sure, go ahead. I'm not sure if I need to give you permission or anything. I think it's okay. Are you able to share it?
I think so, yes.
Ah, fantastic. Brilliant. Here we go.
Yeah, just give me a second. And then when I went to, where do you find the programs again?
The products for the products?
Yeah.
Yeah, product links.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can search up there up top. Exactly, perfect.
Yeah.
Excellent.
This is where it took me, and I couldn't get I saw get link, commission 10%, but no price. Do I click on the?
Okay. It doesn't say the price on it. Yeah, I understand.
Yes.
I understand. Yeah, normally what you do is, I mean, you'd go on the front end of the website and in another tab, and you'd select whatever courses you think are appropriate, and then you'll see. And in any case, at the moment, standard pricing for single learning units is $22, €20. Okay.
20 years. Mm-hmm.
And then the programs, typically certificate programs, are €400, $440, and the diplomas are €800 or $880. Okay, and at the moment we have a couple of special offers on the programs side of things, which they have some discounts. I think the International Trade Specialist has, and the Diploma in Trade Finance is reduced by $100. Our compliance course, Finance of International Trade, has $100 off as well. So our International Trade Specialist has $200 off. So again, they're just special promotions that we have for November.
Oh, okay. Maybe perhaps can you write it on the chat, the main website link, because maybe that's what I need to have both of them.
Yeah, sure. Oh yeah, sure. I'll send you the website and the learning management system.
Yes,
okay.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
No problem at all. No problem at all. I'll send it through on the affiliate WhatsApp group. That's the best place to put it, because that way everybody gets it. Okay. Okay, fantastic. So if there's any other questions, I'm just kind of thinking, is there any other things that I need to take you through? You can see, I mean, there's so many courses, and there's going to be more coming over time. So, and we're addressing a lot more sectors now as well. So it's really an exciting time now. I kind of took a bit of a hiatus for personal reasons over the last 3 years, and now I'm kind of back, and I thank God I had my team in the Philippines, Kerwin and Serena, and we had Anne Claire as well, who was working on development for me. And so now we have a whole host of courses, and we have about 120 more that we will be launching probably over the coming year. So there's going to be a huge number of individual courses, and as those individual courses come out, we'll be launching more certificate and diploma courses based on those individual learning units, you know. So there's going to be a lot of stuff to be doing. I will probably do an overview of the learning portal in another webinar. I think that would be appropriate. In terms of the types of marketing that you can undertake, it really depends on your own circumstances. If you it can be networking. Okay, it can be word of mouth marketing with your contacts, with your business associates and so forth. You can contact local SMEs that are exporting or that are involved in early export programs. You could contact local development organizations, not just the national, but kind of local regional development organizations, and offer them either export capacity building programs, or a project that we did successfully in the Caribbean was a jobs market preparation program. So that was aimed at unemployed youth in an underdeveloped region of St. Lucia. And there we had 120 youths who were able to choose between a suite of about 10 different certificate courses. And each course had about 8 course units in them, you know. And it was very successful because besides the actual course that they chose, which could be web development or digital marketing or social media marketing or video production, we had graphics and graphics for the internet. They were all simple, you know, courses providing a simple marketable skill. And on top of that, we had a jobs mentoring component where the youths were able to have access to some courses on how to behave in interviews, how to prepare their CVs. They had mentoring from a local guide who was able to help them with production of their CVs and so forth, and guidance on where they could look for work. And so that kind of thing is something that we can do as well. And I'll send some more information on that type of project over the course of the next few weeks as well. So, you know, again, you know, you can really think, and I want you to think of this resource, this company, this online school as your online school. Okay, I want you to come to me, and if you think, Thomas, look, there's it could be interesting to do, like I said, you know, this was suggested by our affiliate in St. Lucia in the Caribbean, David Henry. He said, look, you know, there's a need for jobs market preparation training here in St. Lucia. The people, the participants themselves can't pay for it. They haven't got, because they're unemployed. But he got the local development agency to pay for the training for the youths. So this is something that you can consider addressing to your own local organizations for different demographics. It could be, for example, Sanelli, you could pitch that for something for women entrepreneurs, okay, in your region. And you could do it on a regional basis. I find that the smaller the catchment, if it's a regional organization, the better chance of actually getting a yes. And once you've gotten a yes from one small organization, it's possible to go to the other organizations in the other regions and say, okay, here's something that worked in one area, and perhaps you'd be interested in rolling it out for your own demographic in your own area. So that's something that could be of interest. And again, come to me. I'll help you with the preparation of the proposal. I'll help you if you need to have a video conference meeting with the organizers. You can bring me in, okay, and I'll be the CEO, and you'll be our country specialist, okay. So you know, you don't have to worry about being what do you call it, sidetracked or set aside or anything like that, okay. The client is always yours, but we're just working together to get the win. Okay, so I think we've covered a lot. If there's any questions for the moment, let me know. I'm happy to give you any clarifications, and if not, if you're happy enough with what you've got, we can call it a day. Are you okay, Simon? Can you hear us okay? And Arnold, are you okay?
Basically, I'm requesting for whatever you have heard today. If it is a PDF format of it, I would.
Yes, I sent you. Yeah, I sent you a PDF format in the onboarding email that I sent. There's two links. One was for the WhatsApp group, and the other link was for the to download the PDF of what we've done today. Is that okay?
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah.
That's great. That's fantastic. So is that okay for everybody? Anything else needed?
Nothing from my side.
Okay, then you can always contact me on the WhatsApp group. Okay. And
Yes.
yeah, I'm going to sort out another webinar where we'll take you through the e-learning portal and how to manage the students once they come in through the e-learning portal. Okay, but yeah, the main thing is you know how to select courses that you want to promote. You know how to, and again, the free courses are a great way to kind of capture a student, capture a lead, okay? Because once they've actually signed up for the free course, they're your client, you know? So that's worth taking into account as well, okay? And yeah, so yeah, that's fantastic. I thank you for your time today. And we had expected a few more, but we're recording this at the moment. So I think they can see the recording at some stage later. I'll share the recording with you all, okay? So I wish you a great evening and thank you for all your time.
Thank you. Nice meeting everyone. Bye-bye.
Yeah, it's great to see you. Great to see you. Take care, Arnold. It's good to see you, Arnold. You take care, okay?